Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is your instructor Khurram Shaheen. Students, today we will learn about how to create a bootable USB for Windows 10. So we have some basic requirements. Power ISO or reference software should be installed on your system, and you should have at least 16 GB USB. If you don't have, then you are not able to create a bootable USB for Windows 10. So let's start our procedure. Simply right click on Power ISO. I have already installed my PC. Right click on it, run as administrator. Click on yes. Wait for some time. Continue our registers. Then I'll click on Tools tab and select the options create a bootable USB drive. Then simply I will select my ISO image and it will be selected. So here is my USB. Then I will click on start button, click OK. Now procedure is start. It will take 19 to 20 minutes to make a bootable USB for Windows 10. So we will wait for 19 minutes. After that we will check our USB will be made for bootable or not. Dear students, now you can see this message: written files USB successfully. Simply click on OK button, then close button. Now we have completed this procedure. We will check the USB from this PC. It is ready for installation or not. Simply close the Power ISO, then click on. Now click on USB drive. Dear students, our USB become a bootable USB. So you can install Windows 10 in any PC or any laptop. I hope so you understood my lecture. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.